YouTube, what's happening? It's your dog T-Moo. I'm back with another video. Before we get to it, I need y'all to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, man. Follow me. I need all the views. I need all the subscribers to link in with me, man. But anyway, this video, we're going to be doing the tail lights. Let me show y'all the old tail lights. It's going to be hard for me to show y'all how to put them in because I got to use both of my hands. I can't use one. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all the old ones, and then we're going to get to it. But this is the factory ones that I had on the, and I had them tinted. But it's time for that factory stuff to go. Can't do the factory. This the factory one with the tint on it. It was cool for a minute, man, but anybody need them, let me know. Here the new tail lights. Them things look so good. Smoke black. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. So let's get to it, y'all. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this left side first. As y'all can see, I had to take that out. All you need is a 10-20 for that, which is the not a 10-20, a T20. That's all you need. That's the T20 right there. And for this, you just need a Phillip head. Yeah, that's what you need on that. Just a Phillip head to take that out. I already started taking it out. That's why it looked like that. And let's get this up off here. There we go. There we go. There's the tail light. I'm gonna tear my stuff up. As y'all can see, I took the wing nuts off. Y'all see them little doubt one, and then there's one at the top right there. These are wing nuts right here. I guess that's what they call them, wing nuts, but it's 3 of them. Had to take that off. Now we can get this up out of here. I'm doing it with one hand. I'm trying to show y'all how to do it. That's what I'm talking about. I don't think I'll be able to do it. But we're gonna be back. We're gonna be back. I gotta take this out, y'all, so we're gonna be back. Y'all see I got the new tail lights in there. I ain't screwed none down yet. I'm just making sure it's in there right, the professional way, because I'm doing it myself. But it look good. Y'all see the difference between them? Yeah, they definitely look better than the factory. Definitely look better. But yeah, man, let's keep goddamn working, and I'll be back. Y'all see it's working, got the brake light. Yeah, do it again. Yes, sir. Put the blinkers on like you're going to, like you're finna turn left. Yes, sir, the thing's working. All right, now we're finna tighten it up. It's the left side, we got the left side in there. Now we still got to do the right side. All right, as y'all can see, I got the left side in. Got everything screwed back in, perfect. Man, this really was easy. If I'm gonna be honest, like to put this light in, to put the tail light in, it was easy. Plug and play. It do a little thing too, man. I'm gonna show y'all when I crank it up. Let y'all see the little thing it do. I like them. They look better than that factory stuff. Do the right side. This might be a little, I gotta take this off, but it still should be easy though. So, let me get to that. Let me get to it. When I tell y'all I'm tired, man, but it really took me like, I'm gonna say 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Plug and play, it's easy. I promise it's easy. So let me let y'all see what this thing look like. Look good too. Crank this guy up. Let y'all see what we're working with. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. show y'all what they do at nighttime. Can't really tell during the day, but I'm gonna show y'all what they do at nighttime. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what they do when you start it up. How the lights flink, do a little animation thing. Let me show y'all that. Matter of fact, let me show y'all that now. Alright, y'all ready for to show y'all what the lights do when you start it up? Man, they look good. Definitely killing the effect. Look, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube. Click that link right now. Holler at me on IG, Facebook, everywhere. Man, we got plenty more coming. If you got a 300, take your time with it. I promise, don't rush it. Take your time. Do step by step. I promise. Do it right. Do it the right way. Switch it up. Don't do what everybody else doing. Switch yours up. But yeah, T-Move, I'm out.